Hello, this is Trisha Medina and I am part of the account team here in AWS Public Sector as lead development. Today I'll be discussing to you how you can deliver your mission remotely with AWS. Let's first discuss our agenda. Let's see how our work and the way we learn is changing. Let's also discuss what are the specialized AWS solutions that you can use for this remote working and online learning. Let's see how easy it is to implement AWS services and only pay for what you use. I'll also be discussing some example organizations who are already using these services. So let's discuss how our way of work is changing. Today's workforce is increasingly mobile. They're working remotely, they're on the go, they move from one project to the next, and they're collaborating across borders, different time zones, and different organizations. Organizations are increasingly looking for options for employees to work securely from anywhere. Especially when COVID-19 pandemics hit us, it causes multiple of challenges to all organizations around the world. Businesses still needs to maintain continuity as they ask employees to work from home. This sudden surge of online workers or remote workers can actually give pressure to your IT team to provide fast, secure, and easy access to corporate application while they work from home. Organizations are increasingly looking for options for employees to work securely from any location, whether it is to support work from anywhere, global workforce collaboration, agile endpoint management, or just to secure business continuity in face of disasters. Organizations want remote work solutions that they can definitely depend on. And AWS provides a set of solutions built on top of AWS Cloud to help quickly enable remote work for your employees, contractors, students, and even contact center agents. AWS offers several services to enable remote work and learning. This includes Amazon Workspaces, Amazon AppStream 2.0, Amazon Workdocs, Amazon Chime, and Amazon Connect. Let us first discuss end user computing services. As an organization, have you had this kind of questions? How do you maintain productivity knowing that most of your users or most of your employees are working from home? How do you quickly provision remote access to user key applications without even buying, shipping, or even maintaining expensive laptops? How do you maintain control over sensitive company data and help prevent data leakage? We have few services. We have Amazon Workspaces. It is a managed, secure desktop as a service solution that helps remote employees access the application they need by delivering a cloud desktop accessible anywhere with an internet connection using any supported devices. With Amazon Workspaces, your remote workers can get fast, responsive desktop of their choice, and they can access it anytime, anywhere from any supported devices. Your IT team can simplify desktop delivery. Amazon Workspaces helps you to eliminate many administrative tasks associated with managing your desktop lifecycle, including provisioning, deploying, maintaining, and even recycling desktops. There's less hardware inventory to manage and no need for complex virtual desktop infrastructure or VDI deployments. It definitely keeps your data secure. Amazon Workspaces is deployed within Amazon Virtual Private Network. It provides each user with access to persistent, encrypted storage volumes in AWS Cloud. It integrates with AWS Key Management Service or KMS. No user data is stored on your local machine. This helps improve the security of your user data. You can also centrally manage and scale your global desktop deployment. Amazon Workspaces is available in 13 AWS regions and provides access to high-performance cloud desktops. You can manage a global deployment of thousands of workspaces in your AWS console, and you can rapidly provision and deprovision desktop as the needs of your workforce change. And of course, it definitely reduces costs. Amazon Workspaces eliminates the need for you to overbuy desktops and laptops resources by providing on-demand access to cloud desktops that includes a range of compute, memory, and storage resources that meets your users' performance needs. We also have Amazon App Stream 2.0. It is a fully managed application streaming service. With Amazon App Stream 2.0, your remote workers or online students can access a desktop application that they need anytime. It streams your application from AWS to any computer, including Chromebooks, Macs, and even PCs. With Amazon AppStream 2.0, you pay only for the time your students or your employees are streaming the applications. You can easily scale your application streaming to any number of users across the globe without acquiring, provisioning, or even operating hardware infrastructure. Amazon AppStream delivers desktop applications in any computer without even installing any agents or even plugins. You can implement policies that prevents users from copying information from their local machines. You can also centrally manage your applications. Simply install and configure the application on Amazon AppStream 2.0, the same way you would on a Windows computers to create the golden image. Then, in a few clicks, create the fleet of resources for your users to start streaming their applications from. Your user gets the version of the application that you specify. You don't need to patch individual PCs. To update the environment, you simply update the image, then update the fleet, then all your users will automatically get that updates. It definitely integrates with your IT. Use your existing IT system to integrate seamlessly with AppStream 2.0. AppStream 2.0 supports SAML Federation, so your users can use their existing accounts to access their application. AppStream 2.0 can integrate with your Active Directory, your network, storage, and even cloud storage to enable your users access to their existing resources. And of course, definitely, it reduces your IT spending. AppStream 2.0 is pay as you go. You only pay the resources you provision when you provision them, plus a monthly fee per user. You are you don't have any long-term contracts, complex licensing, and even termination fees. You quickly spin up an environment for your training sessions or for classroom sessions, and then simply turn it off. No need to pay anything. And of course, we also have Amazon Workdocs. Amazon Workdocs make it easy to collaborate with others from anywhere, anytime. And it lets you easily share content, provide rich feedback, and collaboratively edit documents. You can use Amazon Workdocs to retire your legacy file share infrastructure by moving file shares to the cloud. Amazon Workdocs lets you integrate with your existing systems and offers a rich API so that you can develop your own content-rich applications. It also enhances end-user productivity. You can store virtually any type of file in Amazon Workdocs. Each individual users in Amazon Workdocs includes 1 terabyte of storage capacity by default. Administrators can set storage limits for individual users and also purchase additional storage for users as pay-as-you-go basis. There's no limit on the account, or there's no limit on the amount of data that you're putting in to Amazon Workdocs. You can access Amazon Workdocs via web, or you can also access it via mobile, either iOS, Android, and Fire Tablet. It has unlimited versioning. Unlimited versioning helps you to keep track of your prior versions on your data. A new version of file is created every time you save it. With Amazon Workdocs, all feedback is associated with specific file version, so you can easily refer back to the comment of the earlier iteration. Amazon Workdocs lets you use your Active Directory to manage your users. If you use Active Directory, you can create user groups, enable multi-factor authentication or MFA, and configure a single sign-on. Your user can log in with their existing credentials when you use Active Directory with Amazon Workdocs. It also has an auto activation. With auto activation, when provisioning your Workdocs site, all directory users are provided valid Workdocs account, enabling each directory user to sign in to use a full Amazon Workdocs functionality as a managed user without having to manually activate each one by one. Amazon Workdocs is HIPAA eligible, PCI DSS compliant, and aligns with ISO compliant requirements. Amazon Workdocs helps you meet your regulatory and compliance requirements for collaboration and file management. Amazon Workdocs lets you control who can access, comment, and download or even printing your files. You can lock your files and to make changes and ensure that edits are not overwritten by any other contributors, eliminating the need to coordinate changes. You can also disable feedback when you already have the final document. You can specify in which AWS region to store your content to help meet data residency requirements. Your user can access Amazon Workdocs site from anywhere in the world, regardless of which AWS region you choose, by leveraging AWS global infrastructure. Here are some of the customers who are already using end user compute. We have Maximus. Maximus is the leader of health and human services worldwide. Maximus partners with states, federal, and local governments to provide communities with critical health and human service programs. Recently, their customers faced significant IT challenges in transitioning from work from home model, ranging from information security and privacy requirement to ensure continuity of service. Maximus provided business continuity for their customers by provisioning over 9,000 secure agent desktop through Amazon Workspaces. We also have Los Angeles County Internal Service Department, ISD. They have over 10 million residents and employs more than 100,000 staffs. They provide general IT services to county employees, and they're using Amazon AppStream 2.0 to deliver the needed resources to different agencies. And of course, we have California Polytechnic State University, which is one of the top-ranked public university in California. Cal Poly was faced with a requirement to rapidly deploy a virtual computer lab solutions and provisions 28,000 users into Amazon AppStream 2.0, moving from beta to production in less than 3 weeks. The lab environment including dozens of software applications, including 3D graphics. With the solution, students were able to access learning resources wherever and whenever and any type of devices. Now, let's go and discuss remote communication and collaboration. As an organization, do you have this kind of questions? How do your employees and students engage with each other using audio and video conferencing? How do you quickly enable remote communication capabilities in your own applications? And how do you deploy a solution that is secure and reliable to support your business continuity? Here is Amazon Chime. Amazon Chime lets you meet, chat, and place business phone calls with single, secure application from anywhere. You don't need to switch between applications to collaborate, and you instantly go from chat to call, share your screen, and even invite more people to join your meeting. When it's time for your meeting, Amazon Chime will call you on your device so that you will never be late on your meeting. Amazon Chime is a modern team collaboration and communication service from AWS that makes it easy for you to communicate with people inside and outside your organization using voice and video and chat. With Amazon Chime, online meetings are easier and more efficient, so you keep focus on your discussions. Here are some of the customers who are already using our services, Amazon Chime. We have Santa Clara Valley Science and Engineering Fair Association, who held a synopsis championship using Chime. They have over 1,000 of students presented their projects to over 500 judges and has occurred almost 2,000 video conferencing sessions. At the peak of the 6-hour science fair, over 800 meetings were held concurrently. We also have City of Port St. Lucie, who uses Amazon Chime for their internal communications. And of course, we have University of Arizona, who uses Chime to support online learnings of their students. Now, let's move on to Virtual Contact Center. As an organization, do you have this kind of questions or probably requirement? How do you keep your contact center operational while all your staff are working from home? How do you set up hotline to rapidly respond to your customers' needs? And how were you able to manage the call and chat volumes that outpaces your current contact center capacity? If you have this kind of questions in your organizations, Amazon Connect is the right solution for you. Amazon Connect enables business to have a full operational contact center that can be operated virtually anywhere. Agents, supervisors, managers, and even admins can work at home and be able to perform all their normal contact center activities. Agents can make and take calls. Supervisors can monitor and coach agents in real time as if they were sitting in the same office. Managers can actually view dashboards, they can run reports, they can monitor service levels, listen to call recordings, and track performance, all in the safe of their home. You can set up Amazon Connect Center in minutes and start providing the best possible customer service to your customers. Amazon Connect is a simple to use cloud-based contact center service solution that enables businesses to deliver exceptional omnichannel customer experience that are natural, dynamic, and personalized. It includes all the standard functionalities of a contact center operations. Skills-based routing maximizes the efficiency of agents and the satisfaction of the end customers to ensure that you connect the right customer to the right agents at the right time. Voice and chats are actually recorded, making it easy to monitor and improve agent quality. All the common reports and analytics you would expect are available and easy to use, including service level, call handling, and agent performance. Here are some of our customers who are already using Amazon Connect. These customers includes Workforce West Virginia, Los Angeles Unified School District, and Department of Labor and Training in Rhode Island. One common challenges that these customers have is the fact that their on-premise infrastructure can no longer support the surge of call and chats that they're getting to support their customers. Thus, they reach out to AWS to provide the quality of their customer service in order to support their customers. In fact, for Workforce West Virginia, they were able to soft launch Amazon Connect within 72 hours and processed a record of 61,000 calls a day. That's amazing, right? And of course, let's also discuss Juniper. Juniper is the best example of our customers who puts all together all the AWS work and learning solutions. Juniper is a leading provider of care, accommodation, and support services for older Western Australians. The organization uses Amazon Chime to facilitate communication between the communities. They uses Amazon Connect to distribute recorded information, and of course, they uses Amazon Workspaces to enable employees to work from home. It is amazing that they were able to deploy Amazon Chime in 2 days and Amazon Connect in a day. And now they also be able to secure and remotely complete their payroll activities. In fact, ICT manager of Juniper Dan Biston says, and I quote, "By using Amazon Chime, Amazon Connect, and Amazon Workspaces, when people come up with ideas, they would finally say yes. We can scale AWS solution we're using in new ways and be more reactive during and after disasters." Having mentioned the benefits that our customers are achieving using AWS services for remote work and learning, you can also gain the control and confidence that you need to enable your work remotely and learn from home scenarios. Security in AWS starts with our core infrastructure. Our infrastructure is monitored 24 by 7 to help ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of your data. The AWS global infrastructure enables companies or organizations to be extremely flexible. With only a few clicks, you can set up remote work solutions. Pay-as-you-go pricing allows you to easily adopt the changing of business needs without overcommitting budgets. And it's actually easy. All you have to do is to sign up for a complimentary AWS account by going through our website. Then, once you've successful creating the account, you can actually readily access all the services, which is more than 200 AWS services available for you, depends on your organization needs. And with a few clicks, you were able to enable remote work and learning to your employees and your online students as well. I hope you learned a lot from this presentation. Again, I'm Trisha Joy Medina. Thank you so much and have a great day.